Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to change background color in AutoCAD 2025. So to change background color, you can type OP to open option dialog box and you can go to display tab, click on color tab. So be sure for drawing window colors dialog box. In here you can change background from 2D model space, sheet or layout, or you can change in 3D parallel projection, 3D perspective, block editor, command line, and plot preview. As example, I will change in 2D space model. You can click these tools and then choose the uniform background. As default, we use this color, and you can change like into this gray color. Click apply and close. So the background color will be changed. You can click again color button and I will set into blue. Then click apply. The color will be set into blue. Or you can set into default by clicking the restore all contents buttons. You can click and then you can click restore. The background will be back into the default and you can click apply and close. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2025, how to change background color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.